Hi, good morning, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Morning, yes.
Hi, morning. Thank you for your time to joining our webinar today. So today we will be talking on Kiwire and also IPCom. So for Kiwire, our presenter will be Nabila, our engineer, and also for IPCom, the presenter will be Mr. YY, our IPCom from IPCom. So if you all have any question, you all can feel free to leave your question on the chat box. We will attend to you shortly lah. So Nabila, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I pass the floor to you.
All right. Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. My name is Fatina Villa. Okay, today I will be your presenter for Kiwire, which is Wi-Fi captive portal. So, uh, okay, let's start with our company. Our company has been established in 1999 and incorporated in 2001. We have a dedicated support team and engineer for products. Our R&D team and lab for software for and technology. We have provided 24/7 support call services and partner with various Wi-Fi hardware brand. Okay, so this is our business background, which is we provide software solutions. We are the distributions. We have product trainings and also consultancy. And then this is our sites that have been using our captive portal. For example, we have Malaysian Airport, Paradigm Mall, Gardens by the Bay. So all you can see here, this is all our clients. And then our software overview, we have our latest software for captive portal, which is version 3.0 on the cloud and on premise, and also multi-tenant. We have three types of Kiwire, which is our cloud, on prem, and also multi-tenant. It's use advanced technology. We have which have various login method. For example, we have voucher types login, we have registration, we have verification, and also proceed button. And then we have Wi-Fi marketing platform where we have advertisement page over multiple platform and methods. For example, we have ads, image sliders, we have videos, we have integrate with the JSONs, and then we have Wi-Fi analytics, which is it provided the reporting modules to allow you to analyze user behavior. We have various types of reporting. Later, I will show you guys. Okay, this is the Kiwire features where we have a GUI interface for admin panel, which is integrated with a few tools, Wi-Fi useful tools designed to enhance Wi-Fi solution. It's also provide customizable page designers where you can design where you can use your own design uh, for login page, which is provide users with variety snippets and dynamic templates to choose from and supports Bootstrap. We have various login method and flow where we have a SMS or email verification, social login, voucher. We have also registered user, and then we have various integration. For example, we have SMS, email integration, we have PMS, e-payment gateway, Microsoft Eddy, LDAP, and more. And then we have extensive API, formidable new API engine that provides simplicity and high performance. And then it is secure and compliant. Okay. Kiwire version 3.0 gives user a complete transparency of all data collected by PDPA and GDPR. So we have also two-factor authentication for admin using Google Authenticator. And then we also have public survey, which is allow everyone to view and respond for survey, even without connecting to their hotspot. And then we have boost performance, so better back end performance compared to previous release lah. We have also billing notifications, able to directly send all billing notification to your preferred email address if you are collecting the email address. And then if you want to send the billing notification, then we are able to do that. And then we have a marketing platform, which is we can advertise, send over the advertisement. We can send over SMS, email, browsers, and also API. And then we have survey, coupons, and also smart banners. For white labels, which is we rebrand the Kiwire into your own brand, and promote your brand, where you are MSP or WISP. And then we also have reporting and analytics. All the data captures is stored within a centralized reporting dashboard. It's quite quick and simple. And then we have a powerful Wi-Fi analytic to capture user data in real time, including demographic insight and more. So this is a PMS integration where we have Opera, Easy, eSoft, IDB, Info, and then for payment gateway we have iPay 88, Iden, Stripes, Senampe. For social network we can integrate with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Zalo. And then for the authentication server we have Office 365, Twilio, Active Directory, LDAP. And then for the API or marketing, we have MailChimp, MailMimi, SQL. And then, sorry. And then for the call and accounting or content management, we have FCS, Adobe Experience Manager, Jury Data, and 3CJ. Okay, so dedicated server with customized hardware specification. Okay, so Kiwire can integrate with hardware. We have Kiwire also provide a database, which is their own database, and then it is more stable in terms of connection. And some of the integration, for example, PMS works on premise. Usually, PMS we integrate if we use on-prem Kiwire. And then this is a Kiwire Cloud, which is securely serve multiple clients from an unlimited number of organizations. And then we provide the highest level of management functionality. The Kiwire Cloud platform partitions each tenant with it within its primary database. And then it reduces manpower for troubleshooting, automated software updates, and also high availability. Okay, this is how Kiwire works. The first step is you need to connect with the SSID. Okay, once you connect to the SSID, you'll be able to see the landing page, which is it requires you to insert your voucher code if you use voucher, or if you are required to register, and then the registration page will be appeared here. And then you can if you are able to if you are integrate with the social media login, and then you are able to you just click on social media to get access. So this is the engagement, for example, of advertisement, where you will see the advertisement before you able to see before you connected to the Wi-Fi. Alright. So do you guys have any question regarding Kiwire before I show the login flow the examples of login flow? Okay, and then if you don't have, I will proceed with the email verification. So this is the example of email verification login flow. The first step is you need to connect with the SSID, and then it requires you to enter the informations. For example, if you collect name, gender, phone number, email, and then this is the information that you will get. And once you submit on submit button, it will requires you for it will granted you 10 minutes login for you to verify your email. Okay, once you verify your email, you will be redirect to the success page, which is you will be able to log in successfully log in. If you not verify, then the 10 minutes will be finished like that. Okay, this is the example for login flow for social login, which is it will if we enable the advertisement, so you will see the advertisement first, and then it will brings you after the advertisement is finished. For example, we set the advertisement for 50 minutes, 15 seconds, and then once 50 seconds is done, you will be able to see the landing page. This is the example of uh, landing page where it's required to you for you to sign in. And then this is the example of social login. And then once you click on Facebook, it will requires you to enter your email address and password to log in. Okay, once done, it will redirect the page to the Google. This is for the redirect page. You can set on your own if you want to redirect to your own website. It's you are able to do that lah. Okay, this is the for registration. Okay, once you register, you need to fill in all the informations, and then once you click on sign register, you will be able to use the internet. After that, you don't need to register anymore. You just click on login by using username and also password. Okay. This is a sample for for hospitality for Chloe Hotel, which is it requires for you to register first names, last name, email, username, and also password. So this is for mobile view. This is for desktop view. This is example for theme park, which is Garden by the Bay. Uh, as you can see here, it requires you uh, to log in your email, your country, or you can log in by using Facebook. If you have terms and condition, you can provide the terms condition for us, and then the user or guest or the user lah need to accept the terms and condition before login to the Wi-Fi. This is a login flow sample for retails. This is using proceed button. Once you click this button, free Wi-Fi button, you are able to connect to the Wi-Fi. So this is you don't need to input the information lah. But for one click button, if you need data for them to input, but you don't need to you don't requires them to input the password kan. So you are able to do that lah. So you just collect the data only, and then you just click login. Okay, and then I proceed to Kiwire campaign. Okay, campaign engine is unique network marketing application that helps you to gain many new user, engage your user, and monetize your network. So you can force user to see the image or video ads for a few seconds before or after showing them the captive portal and authenticating them. So campaign page usually we will put before you see the landing page for a few seconds lah. So and then this is the benefits of campaign. It is a marketing strategy platform where if you want to introduce your new products or brands or notifications and news, and it's also engage users where goods ads will attract more users to display offers account, and then monetization platform, sell ads space or to airline, food delivery or many more. So Kiwire campaign engine, it will trigger. So it has many types of trigger if you want to trigger. On connect, once login, dwell time, recurring. This is the types of trigger the campaign page. This is the action if you want to show them the ads for video, text or image, or you want to notify the users by using API, SMS or email, or then it will redirect to the URL page, web push notification, and also promote apps. So we have targeted campaign, which is if you want to target a using persona. For example, persona is if you want to uh, get only for example for female only can see this campaign page, and then if you enable this function, then only female are able to see the campaign page. That one you can handle on your own needs lah. So this is and then we have revenue. Okay, so okay. Also, and then we have user data collection. Okay, data collection for if you use social network, usually it depends on what uh our third party wants to share lah. What's the settings that users set on their own account. If they want to share their information, then we are able to collect for the social network. For example, Facebook, right? Not everybody wants to share their information in their Facebook, so we are not able to get the information lah. But if they share, then we are able to get the information. For the self sign up, you can require or not for the information that we are collected. For example, the information that we collected usually name, email, phone numbers, age, gender, and then if you want to customize your additional field, we also able to do that. And then we have a survey form, which is personal details, Q&A, feedback, or suggestion. This one you can customize on your own lah for the survey form. Okay, and then we have a benefits for collecting user data for Wi-Fi marketing, for to understand or user behavior or better experience. So we have a Wi-Fi analytics, which is we have a real-time insight at your fingertips, up-to-date customer data in a simple or easy-to-use dashboard that can use automatically collect guest information from social network, website or email marketing, including demographic. So basically, the Wi-Fi analytics, it will show you in a pie graph or line graph, or also in a reporting template lah. So you are able to see the informations of the users lah usually. And then if you want to see the analytic, how many user log in by using Facebook or Twitter or or LinkedIn. And then we have for the reporting side, we have a few modules in the reporting, which is we have a account where it will summarize the overview of the users. And then we have a login and monitoring, where the analytic reporting on the users or network ensure all the equipment's current availability status. And then we have a bandwidth module, where it will show the total bandwidth usage by the users within the network. And then we have an insight. We will show the types of device and brand that user is using to connect to the network, and also the user information for social or registered login. And then we have a campaign where it will show the impression reports of all the impressions viewed by the user. So the bandwidth report, it will shows the how much the bandwidth that has been consumed monthly, decision on reducing or increase the so once you view the reporting, right, you will be able to make a decision lah, either you want to reduce or increase the bandwidth based on user performance inside the bandwidth report. And then you will see the login report. So from the login report, you will see how many people using Wi-Fi on daily basis. Okay, when is the most people using? When is the most time people using Wi-Fi? Uh, And then we'll be able to see to differentiate by zone lah. For example, where they usually connected. If you have different types of zone, and then we will see the campaign reports, and then we'll see the insight report to understand the types of audience using Wi-Fi. And then this is the success stories where we have our client, where we have our project for Saluran Sarawak, which it's integrated with Sarawak Pay and also Sarawak ID to log in to using Wi-Fi. And then we have a MESAT where it's provide the uh, Wi-Fi for their client. And then we have a Gardens by the Bay, Singapore. And then we have a Vivo City, Singapore. And then we have a Berjaya Langkawi, Malaysia, Singapore. Berjaya Langkawi, Malaysia. So that's all for me. If you guys have any question, you can just ask in the chat box.
Okay, so any questions from the floor? If no, then we will proceed with the IP common. So, why are you there?
Yes, morning, Jane.
Morning. So
How
I
is
pass the floor to
everybody?
you. Fine.
Okay, hold on. I broadcast share the PowerPoint slide out. Okay, Jane can see.
Yes, can see.
Okay, nice. June. Okay,
Nice.
actually this morning, for my site here, IPCom. Actually, I'm YY Tan from IPCom Malaysia. We are a manufacturer for this IPCom networking devices lah. So to this morning, actually we will introduce our Pro 5. So basically it's a software control. It's a network devices we using the software controller lah. So why today we introduce this Pro 5? Because this one basically we can integrate the software for the controller to manage your wireless. Even right now you can even manage your switches. Then down the road, it will be all your gateway and then basically the whole network devices lah. Then from there as well, so you can even point the Kiwire from your, basically you can do the hotspot login, then point to the Kiwire based using the software controller lah. Okay, so we start. What is the Pro 5 first? The Pro 5 actually is a software based controller. So this is basically is a Windows based one. So if you are familiar with SynchroWeb, or you might know the other brand will be using the same concept as well lah. So basically, the software controller will be a Windows based. Then using a UI graphic UI, so easier for you to see what's going on lah. Instead of when we saw, if you say traditional devices, where we use the hardware controller, everything will be in numbers and alphabets. So sometimes you don't see the clear picture, and people want to see all in graphic lah. So it'll be much easier for one single glance lah. Okay, next one. How does the thing work? Actually we park the controller? So actually you can park the controller anywhere inside the network itself lah. So let's say you see on the right hand side, this is the software controller. We will most probably put near your core switch lah. So this is where your controller will reside and talk to all the devices, including your switches and the wireless APs lah. So from there itself, basically you connect to the internet, then to the cloud. So why you need the cloud? Okay, actually the cloud is actually for you, let's say, to connect from outside. And if you connect from outside, then you need this cloud basically to become like your directory lah. So you from the cloud directory, you connect back to your software controller for on-premise site lah. So with that as well, basically you can use even the app on a mobile phone lah. So right now, actually, we are integrating this profile app to our current mobile phone app. So basically, they will talk to each other. They will talk to the controller based on from the cloud lah. So basically, you need the software controller on site to manage all your devices lah. So how about multi-site? So basically, same come back to the same picture. So let's say you have multi-site. So basically, your software controller will be on each site to manage all the devices lah. So from each site, this server basically will connect it back to the cloud. Then from there, you can basically use your remote remotely, or you can use the mobile phone app basically to control manage your each site lah, using the cloud as a directory lah. So far semua okay sini? Okay, Jane, okay understand
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead first So okay, now is we go through the software controller, what's inside lah. So simple one, basically when we talk UI, graphic interface summary of your network. So this actually upgraded. Actually, we updated from our previous version lah. So now will be more, I'll say, more user friendly and more understandable. And so right now we do higher resolution. So for you, you can see more things in one page lah. So right now, actually, the first summary page, you will see how many devices active. So most important, actually, you want to see your wireless access point lah. How many access point is currently online. And secondly, right now, the controller support switches already. So you know how many switches in your network lah. So next one, actually, how many clients, then how many guests using your Wi-Fi, your network. So from there, basically, you do all the chart there. You'll see what's going on lah. Then the second page, basically, this will be more go towards in-depth for the user. So from here, you know who is using the most bandwidth and which AP is actually transmitting the most data here. This is more towards, like we say, you want to do analysis on deep dive into your network, how much they are using your wireless or your network resources. So the third page, this is for management. So this is for you to see how many devices is connected. So and this from there you can manage all your devices, basically your wireless APs and your switches here. So switches here also, like in the wireless AP, you can see, you can manage, you can do the RF settings, you can set the power. Then you can even set the VLAN from here in one single interface lah. Then for switches as well, here you can see your PoE power. You can even turn on and off the PoE power. Then you can even screw the VLAN off from the same interface lah. So this will be the management page lah. Then lastly, here we have this most important, the crucial one is this the captive. Basically, this for you to set the wireless SSID and to do your captive portal guest control page here lah. So this is where this controller strength come in lah. Then this is where you do the linking. So basically to talk to this Kiwire here lah. So this one will do the redirecting page to the Kiwire for you to implement the solution lah. So lastly, this will be the page, actually this for the cloud lah. So cloud, once if you access from the cloud, this will show the directory of all your deployed this profile controllers lah. So how many deployed, all will be listed there. So it can show you where's the location, then that is the location up or down. So basically from one single interface, you can see all the listed how many controllers you already set up lah. Okay, right, Jane, so far I think okay there. Any question there?
So far, no question from the floor.
No question. Okay, basically simple. After we can show you a simple demo lah. I can show you a running demo for this the controller itself lah. Simple. So actually we just show, no point. Basically I operate for you. You see one time. Is it how easy is it for you to run the controller lah? Okay, hardware. So what hardware supported right now? So what is available right now? So for the AP, right now we will actually consolidate. This year we will focus on Wi-Fi 6 more. So right now, simple one. We have the LR, the long range, and the light. The light actually haven't reached here. So right now, actually we keep your focus on the LR models we currently available in Web lah. So you need got inquiry, basically you can look for Jane, Winnie, or Fatin to get a quotation for this the wireless AP itself lah. This will be the higher performance model first lah. Then secondly, let's say for outdoor, this is our older model lah. So this is for the outdoor access point. This is the Wi-Fi 5 only. So at the moment, we still actually get chasing confirmation to get the Wi-Fi 6 outdoor AP to come out lah. And lastly, this one, these the two models of the switches available right now. 24 port already landed in Malaysia. So you can request for loan sample from Web team. And the 8 port one will be coming soon, estimated around, let's say this October, like that. So for coming soon, so the point this year, what's the Wi-Fi 6? Okay, Wi-Fi 6, this AP, in wall, actually we have sample coming in within 1-2 months. So I expect will be widely available during this Q4 lah. And right now AP will focus on the long range transfer, basically the higher range model lah. And as for the outdoor AP, we also expecting to be Q4 like that will be coming out lah. So for now, actually we will focus on the ceiling AP and the wall plate. So wall plate, you can estimate around Q4 to reach us lah. All right, so it's the end of my presentation here. So I will show you the live demo of the controller itself lah. Any question can ask lah, no issue. This one for the PowerPoint slide, if you need, then this one Jane will share out to the team lah here. Okay, so this is actually the controller itself lah. So here actually right now in the office I already fixed up one wireless AP and then one switch lah. So this is the active, how many devices active at the moment lah. So this will be the main summary page of all everything come out. So this statistic, actually this one I just run less than 1 day. So it doesn't record any data yet, how the usage lah. Then the mapping. So here you can do like the map of the office of where you deploy. So you can do multi floors. You place your APs, you place your switches. So you'll know what devices at the location be lah. So devices here. So right now actually I fix up one wireless AP and these switches only. So here basically you can do your setting, like your power setting, RF setting from the right hand side menu lah. Then you can even set all the up, the downlink, all the speed, all the setting all from there lah. The standard settings for the AP. Then as for the switches, here you can do the PoE. You can set the PoE, even the VLAN with the VLAN ID all here lah. Then lastly, this one, the most important, actually this lah, the configuration for the wireless. So this one is for the SSID. Then second, we want to integrate with the Kiwire. So basically you enable the guest page, basically we say the captive portal page. then you can do the redirect to the landing page lah. So far everything here okay?
Okay.
Jane, so far any question?
No question from the floor yet.
No question. Okay lah. Today like so the weather so cold, everybody also quiet down. Morning Shah. You sure got question punya?
So far, no question from the floor. Guys, if you have any question, you all can just unmute your mic or just leave down in the chat room.
Alright, Zamri. Now I need your see the question. This one no need license. This is a free. So once you buy the Pro 5 series, then we'll bundle in free for you already. So any update, anything, basically provide straight away from us. Then any question support you can get from Synco Web as well. Sana semua okay. Config, yes, it's push config. Actually, once you do the setting, it's immediately will push the config because your controller is on site. So once you do the setting, basically then immediately will push every to the network already. Even you remote outside, then your controller because on premise, so immediately you push, then your data is actually live one. So this is what makes this thing different from cloud because you're actually looking at live data. Your server is collecting live data. Crossover subnet. Okay, this is actually where you say subnet means crossover, you need to do the static route. And this you need to do the static routing for you to talk to the another subnet lah. Startup box at the moment. So far, I wish I can do a box, so I no need so hard to get a Windows PC lah. For us, actually we also do controller. You want cheapskate one, we do NUC. You want canggih kit, buy a laptop also can one now. Now laptop more than powerful can become a micro server already. Then for lazy one, lagi malas punya, so you can set it and forget it one. But for the captive portal to run, you need the controller to be around lah.
Any
Okay,
more
anything else
question
more?
from the floor?
So Jen, your side there, how? Got any question?
Zamri say he saw that the profile controller seems like unified. Is it same?
Yes, this one most probably can say kita sama-sama ada clone-nya lah. Kalau if Unify can jalan, profile boleh. Nama pun you see, even the name also so same. So if you need to do testing, let us know. Let Jane know. Jane can loan to you, no issue. Yes, ada choice good, ada pilihan, got choices. More budget, ada budget. Then more profit for me and you. For me is I don't have anything to do already. More profit for you. Jane pun happy. Okay, Jane. Any closing speech from you?
Okay, so if there's no any more questions from the floor, then we thank you YY here for the presentation today. And uh, wait, there's one more question from Zamri.
Oh, cannot lah. AP Unify are not compatible. We are not allowed to. Kalau boleh kena su.
So, is there any other questions from the floor? If no, then I think that's all for today. Thank you, YY, for your presentation, and also Nabila on the Kiwire. So we will be there is another upcoming webinar which is on UBNT on the 10th of August. So if you haven't registered, you may register from the link. If you have any sales inquiry regarding IPCOM or Kiwire, you may send in your inquiry to sales@synchroweb.com. So thank you for your time today. We see you again soon. Okay, bye bye.